So, Spider-Man No Way Home is coming out in December, more precisely this week, and the anticipation and hype around it have been big. And considering that the best way of learning English is by having fun, doing what we enjoy, today we'll be learning English with the Spider-Man No Way Home teaser trailer. Sup guys, name is Natalie, and without further ado, let's go to the scene.
So Peter, to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm sorry to bother you, sir.
Please, we saved half the universe together. I think we're beyond you calling me sir.
Okay, Steven.
That feels weird, but I'll allow it.
When Mysterio revealed my identity, my entire life got screwed up. I was wondering if maybe you could make it so that he never did.
The entire world is about to forget that Peter Parker is Spider-Man.
Wait, everyone? Can't some people still know?
That's not how the spell works.
So MJ's gonna forget about everything we've ever been through?
Stop tampering with the spell.
Oh my God, Ned, he's my best friend. Oh, my Aunt May should really know. Stop talking. What just happened?
So we'll be analyzing 6 expressions of this dialogue, and remember that if you want to know more ways on how to learn English doing things that you actually like doing, I'll be leaving a video in the description down below and somewhere up here where I approach this topic. But let's go to the first expression, that is, to what do I owe the pleasure? That's just a formal way, not everyday English, to ask the purpose of someone's visit, regardless of the welcomeness of this person. I mean, regardless if this person is welcome or not to your house or whatever.
Ah, Mr. Morgan, nice to see you again.
And to what do we owe the pleasure, Agent Moron?
Second expression, being beyond. In this specific context, this expression means being long past a certain stage, leaving something behind, or to overcome something.
But Natalie, what do you mean? You're making things even harder.
So let me explain. When Dr. Stranger say, "I think we are beyond you calling me sir," he previously explains, saying, "We've saved half of the universe together." So it means that there's no longer need for Peter Parker to call Doctor Strange sir.
We saved half the universe together. I think we're beyond you calling me sir.
Like they are beyond that phase or stage. Third expression is screwed up. You already might have seen or heard the word screw in another context, like screw, screwdriver, but the expression screwed up can be used in several circumstances, and it means in trouble, messed up, or being caught up in an unfortunate or difficult situation.
I'll tell you another thing. If you screwed up my car, I'll kill you.
In a more aggressive and unpolite form, one could even replace the word screwed by the F word. But that certainly wouldn't be very nice, especially depending on the situation you find yourself in. Before we go to the fourth expression, I would like to ask you fondly to subscribe to my channel, which is still very small. By subscribing, you can help me to achieve my dream to grow up in this platform and to help more people to learn English. Fourth expression, about to. When something is about to ... it means that it's on the verge, it's on the brink of happening. In other words, it's very close to happening. In this scene, Doctor Strange means that the world is very close to forget who Spider-Man is.
I'm about to say it. Say it. I don't care that you broke your elbow.
The word tampering means interfering with something. So when he says stop tampering with the spell, he simply means stop interfering with the spell.
Don't stay up past 8, misuse company time, tamper with machinery, enter innovation wing without authorization.
And you can use that word in several contexts in your conversations. When we use the word happened in the past, preceded by the word just, it means that some event occurred shortly before. For instance, the sentence, "the accident just happened," means that the accident took place few minutes or seconds ago.
Uh-oh. Just ignore what just happened, okay?
Spider-Man,
Go shake hands.
Will do. What just happened?
So let's watch this scene once and again, but this time around without subtitles.
So, Peter, to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm sorry to bother you, sir.
Please, we saved half the universe together. I think we're beyond you calling me sir.
Okay, Steven.
That feels weird, but I'll allow it.
When Mysterio revealed my identity, my entire life got screwed up. I was wondering if maybe you could make it so that he never did.
The entire world is about to forget that Peter Parker is Spider-Man.
Wait, everyone? Can't some people still know?
That's not how the spell works.
So MJ's gonna forget about everything we've ever been through?
Stop tampering with the spell.
Oh my God, Ned, he's my best friend. Oh, my Aunt May should really know.
Stop talking!
What just happened?
So as you can see, it's not necessary to suffer to learn English. We can already learn so much with a bunch of nice things that are out there for us. Please leave a like and subscribe to help me out to achieve my dream of helping as many people as possible to learn English effectively. And leave in the comments down below who is going to watch this movie and what subject you want me to approach in the next video. See you in the next video. Peace.